Yo, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, quick car vlog as I'm driving. Got to pick up my daughter and take her to school. Just dropped off my wife to work. And recording all this on the Pixel 4. The reason that I'm doing that is because I almost flashed Android 14 custom ROM. Almost. Almost did. There were just a few things when I read into the custom ROM. There were just a few things that was just like a slight turnoff. That being said, one of them is the simple fact that the face recognition doesn't work. Well, Lineage OS 21 face unlock doesn't work on Pixie's OS. On that custom ROM, the face unlock works, but it's two-dimensional face unlock, not three. Because again, I knew this was going to be a problem when it came to custom ROMs. Biggest problem is that Project Sully, which is the radar sensors on the the device for motion sense and for faster face unlock. Um, Obviously, that's not going to be easily adaptable in Android 14. Android 14 was never built to support that. Oh, come on, people. Drivers this morning. Anyways, it was never built for that because support for the Pixel 4 and 4 XL ended with Android 13. October 2022 was the very last software update for the Pixel 4, and it wasn't going to get anything else. So with that being said, of course, I could see them running into a bit of issues when it comes to the Pixel 4 and 4 XL in creating a custom ROM that would allow you to utilize all the benefits of the Android 14 um, features, you know. So, I mean, it is what it is. If the ROMs, if they're able to figure this out, able to get it working, because again, like they just started on it. I mean, Lineage OS 21 literally just released some of its custom ROMs, like versions. They started releasing it in December into January. Uh, Pixie's OS started this month, January. So we're not, we're just in the very, very early stages. These developers, they continue to work on it throughout the year. There's no like set date where they have to have these things out. And I think that's probably one of the things when it comes to custom ROMs that people kind of forget. Custom ROM developers are not working for Google. So there's not a time frame that they have to have this update software out. It could take them 2 years if they wanted to, sit back and just chill. It could take them 2 years to develop the ROM and get it to where, it's basically, out of beta stages and, official builds. It could take them long if they want to. It's up to them, really. So, we can't just flame them on XDA or any other site that houses their their ROMs that they're building. We can't. I mean, a lot of people would love to. A lot of people would love to kind of jerk their chain and get them to get the ball rolling on these things. I mean, if we could do it our way, but then again, it's one of those things. You probably, if you learn how to build a custom ROM, you could do it yourself, type of thing. If you really wanted it that bad. But if you're going to rely on these developers, then let's have that respect and not really push them. I mean, they don't have to do this, they choose to do it. So we should just be appreciative of the fact that they are doing it and just let them build on it, you know? Um, if they get Android 14 up and running on the Pixel 4 and 4 XL where everything is perfectly working, then that would be great, and it will breathe life into the Pixel 4 and 4 XL because there are people who still currently and thoroughly enjoy the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. So anyways, that's my quick thoughts.